and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely and you're tuned into Life with Keely. So today is going to be an exciting vlog. Basically we have some shirts that we need to press, and I'm going to be showing you the designs that came in because I got a few kids shirts that I need to do. I got a onesie I need to do, and then I got 4 graduation shirts that I need to do. But I'm going to definitely show you those prints and then show you basically how I press them, my heat press behind me. I'll be using my big 16 by 24 ePhoto ink. If you just want to know where that is from, then I'll have it linked below. I got it from Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon storefront. I will be using DTF prints today to do these shirts, except for the onesie I'll be using vinyl just because it's a single color. But if you want to see that vendor, make sure you check out my previous video. I have basically a video of where I get my DTF prints from, and so you can definitely go check out that video. But let's get to the vlog. Before we do, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so I can make more videos like this for you guys, or I'll never make another video again. I wanted to show you guys the designs. So we have some St. Patrick's Day designs right here. Then we got a smaller one for a baby onesie, and then we got this one. So it's basically a matching set to this one, and then a matching set for my 2 sons there. And then I have these prints, which are custom graduation prints that I made and design. So we got 4 of those to press, and then, and if you can see that, that's actually my logo. So it says Pettigang, and down here it says apparel. But I've been looking to basically like elevate my t-shirt branding. So I wanted to try out some DTF prints, some small ones like this to put on the neck tags or neck labels of the shirts. So I'm gonna actually show you that today as well, and I'm so excited. So this will be the baby onesie that I am doing out of vinyl. If you can see that, it just says new to the herd. That is cute. So we're gonna press that first, and I'm gonna use the same temp for all of them. I'll be using 300 degrees for 10 seconds. So we are going to be pressing the graduation designs on this gold colored shirt, and I got these shirts from Jiffy, and you can check out my last video about my t-shirt vendors as well, but these come from jiffyshirts.com. So we're going to be pressing the front of these right now. It will have the name on the back, but I haven't cut out the name with vinyl yet, so we're just going to be doing the front. So I do use my ruler basically to measure how far down I want the design and where to center it at, because it has that center marker right there. If you want to know where I get this ruler from, I will have it linked down below as well. I got it from Amazon. So another hack that I like to do is I will fold my DTF in half, if you see that crease, just so I can line it up with the center of the shirt. So that way I know that the design is centered before I press. So these DTFs are cold peel, so I'm going to take this shirt and place it to the side until this DTF cools, and then I will peel it. So while I'm letting that cool, I will go ahead and just press the rest of the shirts and then peel all at one time. Okay, And so this little design is going to go on this baby onesie. They came out beautifully when I peeled them. So I'm actually going to put it back underneath the press for like an additional 5 seconds to make sure the design does adhere to the shirt, you know, kind of engrinds it in the shirt just a little bit to make it more realistic. This is the little onesie for my little man. And this is the other onesie that I had to make for someone else. So they turned out so stinking cute. So now I'm gonna do the neck labels, and I know a lot of people have the Cricut mini press usually to do their neck labels with using DTF, but I just got this little thing. And it's called a tulip. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it warms up basically like a mini iron. So we're gonna try this out. So I got all of my little neck things cut out here, or shirt labels, neck labels, whatever you want to call them. And we're gonna see how this goes. So let's just see if the magic worked. I know my camera looks weird, but I'm trying to record Instagram content at the same time, y'all. So it worked. Let me see if I can get real close for y'all to see here. And so I let it cool peel like the other ones, and it just peels right on off. So if you can see that, it says Pettigang and then apparel. It really look amazing, like, and it just elevates the aesthetic of your shirts and just sort of makes them look a lot more professional because you have your own branding on the inside. Like, these are beautiful. Okay, you guys, that is pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this little vlog with me making these cute little onesies and the graduation shirts. Like I said, I do have to do the back of them, but it's just gonna basically be the names on the back in black vinyl. So, but I definitely wanted to show you guys the front and the quality and everything like that. So if you guys like this video, again, please give this a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.